Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about one of the most valuable assets we all have, time. Time is equal for everyone. Whether you are rich or poor, young or old, you get 24 hours in a day. The difference between a successful man and an unsuccessful one lies in how they use those 24 hours. First, understand this. Wasting time is wasting life. Every hour you spend on meaningless activities takes you one step away from your goals. On the other hand, every hour you invest in learning, working and growing takes you closer to success. So, what is the best use of time? 1. Start your day early. Successful men don't waste their mornings. They wake up early, plan their day and set priorities. Morning energy is the most powerful energy. 2. Focus on learning. Knowledge is power. Spend time reading, listening to mentors and improving your skills. A successful man never stops learning. 3. Work with discipline. Hard work matters, but discipline matters more. Success is not about working only when you feel motivated, it's about working even when you don't feel like it. 4. Avoid time killers. Social media scrolling, gossiping, and laziness are the biggest enemies of success. Every minute wasted on distractions is a minute stolen from your dreams. 5. Value health and relationships. A successful man knows that health is wealth. Exercise, eat right, and give time to your loved ones. Balance is the key. 6. Reflect and improve. Before you sleep, ask yourself, did I use my time wisely today? If the answer is no, improve tomorrow. Small daily improvements lead to big results. Success is not built in a single day, but it is built daily. Your future depends on what you do today, not tomorrow. Use your time like gold because once it is gone, it never comes back. Thank you. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring content. Your support really motivates me to create more.